How's it going, guys? Connor here with AcuSpray, and we're going to do a size comparison today. We have Ceres Air Black Betty stacked. We have the DJI Agras T100, and then we have a DJI Agras T50. Obviously, we have a Class 2 drone, and then we have two Class 3 drones, but we just wanted to put the T50 in because that is something everybody is familiar with. It's kind of been an industry, and it really just gives us a size comparison on how big these things are. So, starting with Black Betty, 40-gallon tank, 11.5 foot tip-to-tip wingspan. It is an absolute brute. Moving down to the T100, a 26.5-gallon tank. And then that is a 10'6" wingspan tip-to-tip across the front. And then all the way down to the T50, that is a 10.5-gallon tank. And that has a 10-foot tip-to-tip. So different carrying capacities. The granular carrying capacity for the T100 is 220 pounds. The granular carrying capacity for the T50 is about 130 pounds. And this number is not yet confirmed, but a granular carrying capacity for the Black Betty is going to be somewhere in the 280, 290 pound range. Obviously, just stance-wise, Black Betty sits taller, the T100 somewhere in the middle, and the poor little T50 is just getting outshined right now. These drones are getting bigger, they're getting badder. We as an industry are simply trying to keep up when it comes to ancillary equipment. Here at AcuSpray, we run our A450 spray trailer. They work great for the Class 2 drones. Class 3, we are redesigning everything. Straight trucks, double deck trailers. We have to rethink how we are doing everything for Class 3 because the drones are getting bigger and we as an industry need to keep up with ancillary equipment. These things are going to be beasts eating acres, and we got to figure out how to feed them. So, like I said, just a quick video, a little size comparison of what we're looking at in the three different drones. If you want to, you can reach out to our sales success team. They can talk to you about the benefits and the negatives of each drone, each class, each size, and talk you through if you're interested in buying one and what fits your operation best. So follow, subscribe, follow along. This industry is changing daily, so we are trying to keep up as fast as we can. As always, be safe, fly smart, keep building.